If only enough time to grab onto a piece of ripple before floating into the cold sea. However, Jack dies in the remaining toxins of the Soviet submarine. Ultimately, Rose is picked up by passengers on her water level.
Whoa, guys, that was the best audience ever. They didn't say a thing.
Well, they are in the army, and they talk without permission, they'll get their tongues cut out.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm going over 7-Eleven for episode.
So awkward. What is it?
Someone stole the car. Someone stole the car? How are we going to get to our next performance area?
Hey guys, look what I found at 7-Eleven!
Oh my god, it's a magical school bus!
Oh, hold on to that.
Oh no, the engine! It's broken! We're going down! Hey look, miraculously, we're at our next performance area! The Death Star!
A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a massive starship known as the RMS Titanic. One day, young Padawan Luke Skywalker had won a ticket to the Titanic for Prince Galigio in the Cantina Belt. On board, Luke Skywalker meets the beautiful Princess Leia but unfortunately, Leia is engaged with Darth Vader, who had given her a diamond. Leia feels trapped and investigates suicide, but Luke saves her. They go to the third class cabin and dance to their heart's content. But their love is not to be, for Darth Vader had planted diamond-crusted glasses in the chair.
You stole it!
Stopped away. It is frozen carbonite, just as the RMS Titanic collides with the Death Star. Being a female, Princess Leia has a chance to leave early, but decides to stay back and save. They have time to take huge gulps of air before Luke, however, cannot hold his breath for long and dies. Leia, however, is picked up by a passenger.
Whoa! What was that? Oh no, our story must have come true! The Death Star really did get hit by the Titanic! What are we gonna do?
So let's go to the TIE fighter and see if there are any left.
Here, let's see!
Hey, those aren't TIE fighters.
They're tie-dye fighters! Everyone, grab a tie-dye fighter! Let's fly! If I can only get mine on! Oh no! The Death Star's exploding! Hey look! We happen to be at our next performance area! Independence High School! But these are teenagers! They don't know how to communicate except for through text messaging! Let's see! Run to the classroom! Dude, guess what? Jack died. Said.
No way. What happened?
Said. He won a cruise ticket in the spinning contest. The ship with RMS Titanic. Said.
I've heard of it.
Yeah, when he got on board, he met this hot chick named Rose. Not good at first. She was dating this other guy named Cal.
OMG, shiny, what next?
Oh yeah, he gave her that necklace. That too. Well, the girl tried to kill herself. Said. But Jack saved her. Said. Food. Yeah, then Jack took her down to the third class cabin and they danced. Yeah, then Cal put the diamond necklace in Jack's pocket and said he stole it. Said.
OMG, Lego, Lego.